How to fix still receiving calls on Do Not Disturb mode in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix receiving calls on Do Not Disturb mode. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So if you've turned on your Do Not Disturb, that is from right here you'll see Do Not Disturb. If you just turn this on, there you can see. If you've turned on your Do Not Disturb but it still, the call go through the Do Not Disturb and it still rings or it still disturbs you, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings first. On your settings, you'll need to go to your focus. So find focus right here, tap on focus. After you're there, you'll see do not disturb. Tap on do not disturb, and inside here what you'll need to keep in mind is that under people, this one, tap on it, tap on this, there is no one there. So you will see you will be allowed notification from these many people. You'll see allow calls from as well. So from here you can select allow calls from and select uh, allowed people only, and make sure that you have not added any people. So if you have any people added right here, remove them and change this allow calls from to allow people only. After you've done that, the calls should not come through, and that's basically it. And yeah, if you want, you can also restart your iPhone at the end, and that should fix your issue. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.